To ensure your Xante X33 continues printing to the best of its ability, it is necessary to replace consumables on an as-needed basis.
The cap should be replaced as needed when it no longer seals to the print head, which can cause random nozzle outages or dropout as well as ineffective purges. Using the front panel arrows, move the carriage left toward the center of the print bed.
Unplug the waste ink line for the cap being replaced, either CMYK on the left or white on the right.
Remove 4 Phillips head screws from the cap. Remove the cap. Disconnect the waste ink lines from the bottom of the cap. Install the waste ink lines on the bottom of the new cap. Install the cap and secure with 4 Phillips screws. Reconnect the waste ink line for the cap being replaced. Put the cover back into place and replace the 2 Phillips head screws. On the front panel, press the exit button to park the print head.